Okay, student, let us continue. We are talking about the operations on the binary files. So, a binary file contains the data in terms of your zeros and ones. The file operation means it includes the manipulation of data. That is, whatever you want to do, changes that you want to do can be done here. The operations will be the same in both the text files and the binary files also. The only difference is that when you are working with the binary files, the file opening mode will be as iOS binary. Okay, you have to use this mode if you want to read it or write it in the form of binary file. And the different operations that you can perform on your binary are: you can create a file, you can write data into a file, you can read the data from the file, you can append the data, that is add the data to a file, you can modify the data in the file, or you can delete the data in the file, and you can search for anything in any particular data in a file. These are the operations that you can perform on the binary files. So there are two functions that are used for writing and reading the data in your binary file. One is your write operation. It can be used with the offstream object. It is used with your offstream object, and it is used to write the binary data into the file. The syntax for this is offstream object dot write character, we are continuing, and variable comma size of variable. Okay, now if you want to give an example for this, you are saying the test file dot write character and s comma size of s. In this syntax, this offstream object is the output stream object for writing the data, and the write function takes two arguments, that is the char variable and variable. It is a pointer to character and represents the address of the memory where the new data is to be written. And the size of the variable, it calculates the total number of bytes that is required, that is the number of bytes that is required for writing the data. In the same way, if you want to read the data from your binary file, then you are making use of the read function. It can be used with the if stream object. You are using it with your if stream object, and it is used for reading the data in a binary form from the file. And the syntax of this: if stream object dot read, this remains the same, that is your character and variable size of variable and close. I think in the previous part we haven't used. Okay, so size of variable, and an example, it is test file. You are using it for read purpose, character star and s size of yes. So the if stream object is the input stream for reading the data, and again the read function takes two variables as the argument. Cast star variable, it is a pointer to character and represents the address of the memory variable from where data is to be got. And size of variable, it calculates the total number of bytes that is to be read. And this is about your operations on data files. And with this we end the chapter data file handling. Thank you.